Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off or keeping the screen visible for reference. This helps orientation. Lay the watch face down on a soft cloth. Locate the quick-release pin on the strap. It's a small metal tab. With your fingernail or a 1 mm flat tool, push the pin toward the strap center to compress the spring bar. Once released, pull the strap gently away. Be deliberate and steady, because rushing can bend the pin or scratch the case. Once the old strap is off, inspect the spring bar and lug holes carefully. Dirt or a bent bar is a common cause of failures. If you see grime, brush gently with a soft brush and isopropyl on a cloth. Let dry. If the spring bar shows wear, swap it for a new one that matches the lug width. You want snug fit and proper tension. Take a moment to line up holes and test fit before committing to installation. To attach the new strap, compress its quick-release pin and insert one end into the lug hole, then rotate gently so the opposite end nests and the pin snaps in. Make sure the pin seats fully. If you only feel partial engagement, it can pop out. Once both sides are on, give a firm but gentle tug to confirm security. If it feels loose, double-check pin length and lug cleanliness. Swap the spring bar if needed, because proper tension prevents accidental loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.